we start at 8:30, really. So we split into groups, and one person stays out here with a joy, and the rest goes in the kitchen to prepare all the food, such as frittata, chicken leg, 3-bean chili, cake, a banana cake sometimes, and burgers, homemade burgers. If you are out here, like me, for example, you help Joy to make all the coffee and tea for the customers, and you have to refill the fridge when it's sort of empty, and so you have to fill it, and then you have to put out the salt and pepper on every table. Yeah, the kitchen's really good, yeah. We have the stove, probably won't see, and some saucepans underneath. The chopping board code is a green for fruit and veg, white for dairy products, red for meat, yellow for cooked meat, and blue for fish. Of course, for 1 year so far, I am going to do the second part of this course with Flavia. I probably go to university and study more catering on the way.